Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is our Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pulepu. See, in this chapter 1.3, no, this first chapter in exercise 1.3, they will give linear equation using the inversion method, how to solve the. So the solve means what? You can find the unknowns x and y. Already you studied in your 10th standard by cross multiplication or multiplying coefficients and subtracting one and other. You can bring x is equal to something, go back and substitute y is equal to something. So you will do like this. But here using matrix form, how you will do? So everything you can bring to matrix form. First you can write coefficient matrix. How you will write? While doing I will explain. Just you can write 3 by 3 means 3 you will get A is equal to coefficients matrix. You can write 2, 5, 1, 2. Then this also. This is what? How many variables x, y in like this? Suppose z means you can write x, y, z. You can write this is minus 2, minus 3. This is given shape is what? Ax is equal to b. Ax is equal to b. See, if you want, you can check first row, first column. 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 2. 1x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Happily satisfied. So I am bringing into what? Matrix form. The given equations I am transforming into matrix form. Then I will attack slowly. So given form is what? Ax is equal to b. I need x. X is equal to what is the question? So I want to x means what? I want to a remove. How I will remove? Pre-multiply by a inverse on both sides. Otherwise operating actually. It's operated by a inverse. Instead of multiplying, operated by you can tell. Not. Operated by a inverse means what you will get? A inverse into a is equal to A inverse B. Now A inverse into A is equal to x, I. So A inverse B. Now I reached. Now x is equal to what? A inverse B. X is equal to A inverse B. If I able to find out A inverse means what? B in already my hand. If I multiply A inverse B means what? My job is over. Getting or not? Now we see what I will do. A is this. 2, 5, 1, 2. I want to find A inverse means what? 2 by 2 matrix what I said. These two elements you can change. These two elements you can give minus D minus B minus C A. But before that, if you want find out A inverse means what? Always you can check determinant. If determinant A is equal to 0 means it doesn't exist the A inverse. That is called singular matrix. For non-singular matrix only A inverse exists. Always you can check. If you want find out A inverse means what? Always you can see determinant A is exist or not. If it is not equal to 0 means furtherly you can follow. Without finding A inverse, just you can do adjoint of lot of things is headache. So but formula is what here? A inverse equal to adjoint of A by determinant A. First I want to find determinant A. Determinant A is equal to what? 2, 5, 1, 2. This what you will get? 4 minus 5 AD minus BC, that is minus 1. Happy? Correct or not? So A determinant A exists means what? I go for the adjoint of A. But 2 by 2 matrix what I said? These two elements you can change. These two elements you can give minus. So adjoint of A is equal to, how can you write? These two elements 2 only, no changes. These elements you can give minus. Adjoint of A. Over. Then A inverse is equal to what? 1 by determinant of A adjoint of A. So A inverse is equal to A. 1 by determinant A. What is my determinant A? Minus 1. Then 2 minus 5 minus 5, 2. So A inverse is equal to what? You can take minus 1 inside also. Minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. Still my problem is not completed. I want to find x. But x is equal to what? A inverse B. Just you can find out. X is equal to A inverse B. Now what I want, just A inverse I got. What is my B? Minus 2 minus 3, keep in mind. So shall I rub off here? Shall I rub off? We know that x is equal to A inverse B. X is equal to, who is A inverse? Minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. Who is B? Minus 2, minus 3. All know, take one row, all columns you can multiply. First row, first column, first second row, first column. Then what you will get, this is 4 minus 15. Then second row, first column is first, second, that position also same, already I told you. 1 into minus 2 plus 6. 4 minus 15 minus 11, this is 4. This is equal to what? X is equal to minus 4, 4. But this fellow is equal to what? XY. So from this what you will get? X is equal to minus 11, Y is equal to 4. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye. We meet in next problem.